What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $180 or even more in 1 hour by simply watching videos. This is worldwide, totally free to get started with. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here on how you can earn $180 or even more in 1 hour by simply watching videos online. I'm actually going to share here another opportunity, basically I think more than just one, that you can earn even more money online by simply watching videos. So what you need to do here is pay attention and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information regarding these opportunities here, so you can get started to make money online. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, online business and a lot more. And you're going to find a link at the top and at the bottom, of course, so make sure you subscribe to that channel too. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see on how we can make some easy money online by simply watching videos. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off we are going to a site which is YouTestcom. It is about testing, but bear with me here. As I said, I'm also going to share some other opportunities here on how you can earn money by watching videos. But basically, if we have a look at YouTest.com, which is more or less one of the most highest paying sites out there regarding testing. So let's have a look at the details a little bit here. You can see here that you get paid to shape the digital landscape, and UTest by applause is the #1 destination for freelance software testing and feedback. So basically how this works is that big companies, they want to have feedback, so they want testers to test and see what is working, if there is any bugs, and when you discover these bugs you get paid for it. So basically what I wanted to share with you here is the project board. You can see here it is worldwide, as I said. They have almost all the countries around the globe here. So I don't know what is available as what your country are in. So you can see here you can also sort by suggested, all, and the urgent. Let's have a quick look at the urgent here. Look at this, for example. I didn't see this earlier. Cable TV advertisement testing plus $200 in referral program. This is awesome. I mean, it's definitely much more than 180 that I mentioned in the beginning here. So this is just one opportunity, and you can see that there is more urgent opportunities here. As I said, you can sort it out by suggested here, by all, whatever country or the iOS device, for example, you're in. So a lot of opportunities here, guys, that all you're going to do is follow the instructions here. They're going to have a video for you probably, and they're going to explain to you exactly on what you're going to test, and you will of course record that and leave the feedback there, and also tell about the bugs that you have discovered. So what I did is I did a research here a little bit, and look at this. How much money will I earn and when? Of course it depends on the projects, but look at this. After you install here the device and keep it for at least 30 days, you will receive 30 euros in at the beginning of the following month. So by just installing UTest's app here, you get free money, actually, more or less, I would say. And of course, in addition, you will also receive 8 euros each month. This is around $9 also approximately when I'm recording this video here. So this is a super nice way to earn some free money, actually, by just installing the apps here. But you could see earlier on the project that you can definitely make some serious money here, okay? What I would say is just go to utest.com, Have a look at the details if you want to. Have a look at the frequently asked questions. There is also some articles that you can read through if you want to have a closer look at the details. There is a forum section as well. And basically what I would say is just go to sign up for free, fill in the details, follow the instructions, and get started with YouTest.com. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity. This is also about testing, but I do have something for you here real soon, so stick with me. First off, what I wanted to share with you is UserLabcom. So if you have a look at this, this is actually a site that is trusted by Microsoft, Google, Philips. You can see that big companies come here. They want to have feedback on the websites, on their apps that they're launching, and of course to discover some bugs there, and they pay you for that. So basically, if you go to the tester sign up section, let's have a look at the details here. You get paid via PayPal once your test results have been approved, and you can see that you can earn anywhere from 5, 10, 15, 20 or actually up to $90 for having fun, expressing opinions while navigating the web. And that is exactly what you do here. You can see here, would you enjoy being paid on a part-time basis to check out the usability of apps or website as you test from home on your own time whenever you are free? Exactly as I said, guys. So basically it's super easy. Follow along here. You can see that it is available, of course, both on desktop and mobile devices here, on both platforms. So all you have to do is just sign up there, get started, follow the instructions, and earn some really super easy money. Okay. Alright, so as I said earlier, I wanted to share more opportunities with you, and here is another opportunity, and that is grabpoints.com. You can see here, if I scroll down, that there is some users that have earned some serious money with this. The top rewarded here, you can see $746, and basically you can earn more. You can earn more money. You don't have to watch videos only, but you see that there is a watch video section. So you can go here and you can see that you can learn how to make money by watching videos. All you have to do is just click here and follow along. And there is actually more opportunities here by just watching videos. You can take surveys if you want to here as well. They do have a lot of surveys, and there is a lot of more opportunities. Also, something to keep in mind is the referral program. So what that means is that you get actually paid every time someone signs up through your link, and this is something I will focus on also. And you can see here, how much do I earn? You will be rewarded point based on the countries that referrals are from. Okay, so you can see that tier 1 countries, they pay 250 points. So you get actually paid also when they start to earn money. You will earn more money, of course, also. So that is a tier 2 program. And there is a site which is pretty similar, like Grab Points. I shared this site in the past also. It is Price Rebel. You can see here that they have tons of surveys and opportunities here. The reward section, there is also, you can win by playing lucky numbers. And of course the referral program, which in my opinion is something I would have focused on definitely. Because look at this, sit back and watch your points balance grow. As your referral earn points, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. So this is automatic, okay? This is on autopilot. This is passive income, really. The more people you will refer, the more you will earn there. PriceRebel.com, just go there and have a look at the details. And let me share a final site also, which is swagbucks.com. This is one of the most popular sites, and if I go to how it works, you can just see here that you join Swagbucks, you earn points, and you redeem your points for free gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, or of course cashback from PayPal. And you can earn it by shopping, you can earn it by answering surveys, watching videos here once again, discovering offers, search the web, and play games. So how easier can it be than just playing games, have fun, and earn money, of course. Now, these sites are a great way to earn some extra money online, but if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You're going to find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both, hit the notification bell, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.